Seems like a decent day in Skyblock, except the warp to the private island thingy doesn't work and my inventory is full. And I have 4 million on me. I need to upgrade my backpack because it's kind of full. Yeah, it's gonna be expensive, but we have a lot. We don't need them. I think should be fine. I can't. Wait a minute. Do I have it even unlocked or something like that? I don't even have it unlocked. What a scam, bro. Think I need to wait, but that's fine. Okay, so now that I have 4 million, I think we should spend some money. I've been trying to save some stuff for the Mastiff armor. It actually doesn't seem so much, like just 1 stack of enchanted gold, and I assume that I have multiple stacks and 4 gold tooth, and I have 12 of them, so that means I can craft 3 pieces. Wait, what helmet was that? Helmet of growth. Ah, fuck! That doesn't seem worth it. But this one does, kind of. Let me bid on it. And the boots. Wait, actually, I think those are crafted with enchanted diamonds. Aren't they? Well, that would be good. Oh yeah, they are. Oh fuck! You know what? I don't care. I don't care. I have the money. I don't fucking care. Try me, bitch. Try me. And I can't teleport back again. Nah, doesn't work. It seems like this has been an issue for some days, that you can't really teleport back to the hub. But yeah, I don't care. Wait, there. So we have 2 stacks, that's actually enough. You know what disappoints me about these minions? You can't put super compactors or regular compactors on them. Yeah, I think I gotta live with that. Okay, I noticed one thing about these bottles. I was about to sell some stuff and then I saw that one of my bottles costed about 1000 and the other one costed about 500. So that means every intelligence you get about 100 coins plus or something like that. So I thought maybe I could keep those in my inventory for about three days or something like that, and then the value will go up and I make money like that. I won the leggings! Yay! And the boots are ending in 4 minutes. Actually, I don't want to say the word. Craft it. Okay, good. So I need, do I have enough gold? Ah, no! No! I gotta buy some gold. I really hope I am gonna win this. It ends in 5 hours. Not actually 5 hours, but kinda. What is that sound? Oh, I see! I see! No! No! Give me gift! Please! Give me gift! 1. Only. Yes!
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
Well, that just happened. Last 10 stacks of gold. Now that we have the gold, we are gonna go here pick this up, and this one too. I actually bought it for really cheap. And I'm not gonna bid on this because it's a waste of money. I'm gonna go here, go to ending soon, and then enchanted dark oak. Ah, didn't type everything. Whatever. Let's bid on that. Let's bid on that. And this guy just outbid me. Let's bid on that. By the way, I'm sorry for the background music. You know what? Let me change the resource pack because the music is kind of, I don't know, maybe cringy. So we have 2 and the other 2 are missing. Let's craft them real quick. No, it's not enough. I just realized. Oh no, we need more. Oh no, I'm gonna spawn it if I kill him. Holy shit, that's a lot of wolves. Oh god. I'm losing health so quick. Come closer. Come close. Oh fuck, that's a little bit too close. Yeet.
Right, had no need to fight tonight.
Oh yeah. That's another 2 wolf tooth. Let's place it like that. And then the chest plate. And we have the full Mastiff set. Godly.
Tonight.
What? Hello? Oh, finally! Just the crown and the chest plate left.
Tonight.
Well, that was kind of fast. What about the chest plate? Oh, I was kind of lucky. There we have it, fully maxed out. So that's 23k health. That's the first boss we're gonna do, and I'm gonna try to do it without the power orb. We should be able to kill him soon. Yeah, just a few hits. Does he regenerate if he's protected? I don't know. But it's easy. Yeah, we did it. Tier 4s. Now I gotta get some XP for the tier 4 boss. And then I don't think the potion is gonna last until then. But we're gonna see. Oh look, a Sven follower. That was easy. Okay, we got it. We got the wolf. We got the Sven. So now there is some action. Let me get those out of your neck. Drink that. There we go. Hit me once. Okay, good. Now I know when you gotta hit me again. We have 4 minutes to kill him. Come here, boy. Hit me. Good. Good boy. I should surround him so he can't push me towards him. Like that. Something like that. Yeah. Oh, he just regenerated. Cool. Come here. Okay, good. Oh wow. Oh wow. I just killed a tier 4 Sven. Epic. In the end, I tried another Sven just for content, but there was an issue. Bro, do you see that guy on the left? He's trying to hit my wolf with a bow. Like, what the fuck? He's hitting him towards me like shit, bro. And another dude. Perfect. Sakurai, I hope your parents die on cancer, and I hope they will infect you as well. Like, what the fuck? I tried to tell them multiple times to stop. Hey, look at that. Both are trying to help me. Please. Stop. Bro, you're pushing him towards me. Please stop. Please. I lost so much time because of you. Please stop, bro. Sakurai. Sakurai, I really hope you see this video and shit your pants because of fear, and you'll never get that sword back. I already sold it to the NPC. I'm sorry for my rage, but I had to say something just because I'm so mad right now. So I've been working on this video for a couple days, and I would really like it if you subscribe, like and comment and share this video with your friends. And I'll be trying to do more videos for the next 2 weeks. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed.
Penis.